Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Put some shoes Okay guys, so I am just now getting home, and on today I work my other job. If y'all don't know, I am still currently working my retail job, but I'm only doing 2 days now. I am upset. I don't know if y'all can tell or not, but the doctor that I work with today, like, she's just not one of my favorites, and I don't understand why your last patient is at 4:20 and we're not leaving until 5:30. Like, that don't make sense. We never get out on time whenever I work for her, and I really don't like that. Like, come on, speed up, pick up the pace, especially on days when I have to be in my other job, because now I'm rushing to try and change clothes because I am in freaking scrubs, like all white scrubs. So I have to change my scrubs and get ready and go. Okay, you guys, so it is the next day. It is Friday, and I'm obviously not in scrubs. So the facility that I work at on Fridays, they close early, so we're always gone by like 12 o'clock. It's way later because I went home and took a nap and da-da-da-da-da. But yeah, so if y'all could see from my last clip yesterday, I was complaining about not leaving on time and how that particular PA, I don't know, just working with her was hard. So come to find out, I get to work today, and y'all, she requested not to work with me today. So that really upset me, and like, I don't mean to be up on a high horse or anything, but ever since I've been doing this medical assistant thing, even from externship down, I have never had a provider have anything like truly negative to say about me. And I'm not even the type of person that can't take constructive criticism, and I am new to this. I've been an MA for less than a year. I've had providers personally show me how to do things because I didn't know how to do it, but I've never had one of them like say they didn't like me or request not to work with me. And I've worked with, so far I've worked with NPs, PAs, and MDs, you know, people with just multiple degrees and just amazing people, and I've never had none of them complain. I've even had an MP tell me that I'm one of the best students she's ever had. Like, I don't know, so it really threw me off guard that this lady requested not to work with me. And I also had kind of like a rough morning, and I got to work late anyway, and that's a totally different story, and my boss was understanding of that. And so basically, I guess she went off on a rant and requested not to work with me. And then I like told the other MA, she's like one of the lead MAs or whatever, I kind of told her how I felt about the situation. And she was like, I honestly don't think it was you, like, because I don't know, I feel like this PA particularly was kind of trying to make it seem like everything that happened yesterday was my fault, when it wasn't my fault. Mind you, I told you guys, I'm afloat as of right now. So I'm floating around covering for all these different people, working with multiple doctors and stuff. And it's a lot. So she was like, I don't think the lead man was like, I really don't think it was particularly you, because I've had other people say some of the same things that you were saying, or about this particular PA being really kind of slow with patients and kind of, I don't know, like, it's a lot, because I'm not gonna sit here and bash anybody, but it just really upset me, the fact that I have to be in my other job at 5:30. I didn't leave here till 5, and I stayed like I was supposed to until you finished your last patient. And then you had the audacity to request not to work with me. I was like, okay, whatever. But yeah, I'm not gonna get into that. I'm about to go out and have a nice little Friday, because this is the first Friday where I actually don't have to work and I'm just chilling, you know. So I'll talk to you guys in a second. Okay, you guys, so I'm like proud of myself, like actually getting some vlog content, because I am out and about again. If y'all don't know, I think I told y'all my dog was coming back, so he's back. So I just had to go and get him some fresh food, because I didn't have any, obviously, because I didn't have him, and he's spoiled, so he doesn't like to eat regular dog food, so I had to go buy him the fresh stuff. And now I'm about to head back to my place to feed him and take him outside again before I have to go to work at my retail job, since it's a weekend. I called in yesterday, but yeah, like, I just got this caramel cloud, and it's like barely any drink in here. He put mostly cloud, and I'm just like, where is the drink? And it was a new guy, because I come to this Starbucks all the time, so I know them. But the dude that was making it today, like, she's basically like training him, and I don't know him, and I ain't gonna be mean, so I just took it. But I'm like, damn, can I have a little bit of more coffee, please? Y'all see, this is what I missed. This is what I missed. Like, coming in, and here comes Charleston, so happy to see me. Hi, baby. He ain't even happy to see me. He trying to see what's in this bag. You know he got some food. Yeah, he got his toys on the floor already. That's okay. We gonna get this cleaned up. See, we gonna clean up my toys, mommy. Mommy, clean up my toys. Don't he look so cute? Yeah, it's so cute and happy to be back home, all up in the camera. Okay, let me show you what I got you, Charles. Boom. Got you some meatballs. You want to try those? He didn't eat his food that he had this morning, so I'm going to try and feed him again and see if he's hungry now. Got him a chicken roll. Yeah, he smelled the chicken up in there. And then I got him this stuff from Beneful to see if he'll eat that. And yeah, that's what I got him to eat. You hungry now, baby? Are you hungry now? Do you want to eat breakfast? Do you want to eat breakfast now, baby? Okay, mommy gonna try and get you some breakfast. Let's try. Okay, so good morning, guys. I am just getting in the car, about to go to work, and I just realized, because I'm trying to upload today, so I was going through to see if I had enough footage, and I'm like, oh, this is Scrub Life 2, and I don't know if I have enough footage of me you know, doing medical stuff because I've been busy. I did not record yesterday because the doctor that I worked for yesterday, that was my first time working for him alone. I've worked with him before with other MAs, but this is my first time, just me and him. And he's kind of like, I don't know, I like him. He's a nice guy, but I don't know, it's weird. I can't explain it. It's a you have to be there to understand it type of thing. So yeah. I'm about to try and stop at Dunkin' Donuts. Lately, I've been stopping at Quick Trip and getting their chai latte. If you have not tried it, you need to try it. I get it with extra caramel, and that thing is so good. But I'm gonna go to Dunkin' today and try and taste their chai latte, if they even have one. I'm assuming they have one because it's Dunkin' Donuts. Why would they not have a chai latte? You know, America runs on Dunkin'. Y'all know the commercial. So yeah, I'm gonna go there and try and order that and see what they talking about. So yeah, that's where we're going. Yeah, so we're at Dunkin's and I'm just like so scared, like, do they have this chai latte? But I'm pretty sure they do, but let's just see. I've never ordered this before.
Thank you for choosing Dunkin'. Would you like to try maple bacon?
You guys, so right when I was leaving Dunkin's, my boss texted me and said I'm working for the doctor again today because his MA is out. So yeah, this should be fun. I'll try and get some footage because I'm going to end this vlog today so I can edit it and upload it. But yeah, we're here, and long story short, I should have just went to Quick Trip because this is nasty. Like, I don't like it at all. Yeah, I know the drill. I think I'm gonna change shoes. These ones hurt. Okay, you guys, so I'm home. I don't know how well you guys can see because it's pretty dark in here. I just turned another light on. I'm just about to end this vlog out. Stop, Charleston. I'm about to end this vlog out. Say hi, Charles. I'm gonna end this vlog out so that I can go edit it. Oh my goodness. So that I can go edit it or whatever. It's only Wednesday, and you guys, it has just been a very stressful week for me. Like, I don't know why. You guys heard me tell the story about the PA not wanting to work with me, and that was like, okay, I got over that. And then there's just been a lot of people out lately in this clinic, so as a float, I'm the one filling in, so it's just kind of stressful. And like I told you, the doctor that I was working for today, he no longer has an assistant. She does not work there anymore, so it's between me and another girl who's going to be like his full-time assistant. So she's out, the other girl is out, so I've been working for this doctor by myself for 2 days now. And I don't know, today was better than the other days, but it's like, I just feel like really kind of stressed. And he's a good doctor, and he does a lot of procedures and extra stuff that some of the other doctors in this facility do not do. So today I had to learn how to do EKG stress test. If any of you guys are out there thinking about going to medical assistant school, if you go to school, they should, because my school did, they'll teach you how to do an EKG, which is just the normal setting up the leads. But a stress test EKG is different because they're on the treadmill, and there's stuff you got to do with the computer system and all that. So I kind of briefly learned that today, but I don't know if I know enough to, you know, do it on my own. I did 3 today so far. The last one, I connected all the leads and set it up on my own basically, and I was really nervous, and I was kind of like, I don't know if I'm doing this right, like what the heck, haven't done an EKG in so long. But the doctor, he actually complimented me. He said he liked the way the lines and stuff on the EKG were turning out, because he's like, basically he can tell if when you set it up, if they're not even or placed right because of how the EKG pops up. Nothing to do with, you know, the patient having a heart problem or nothing, but just, Charleston, what's wrong with you? But just he can tell if the leads weren't placed correctly to begin with. So yeah, I don't know, like, I'm trying to shake this feeling and just be happy and have a better week, but it's just like, and I'm a pretty fast learner, but at the same time, I feel like I've kind of been thrown into all this because in this age with everything going on and people being out all the time, it's kind of like you have to pick up the pace, you have to know everything, especially as a float. You have to be able to work with various different doctors. Y'all, do y'all see this ridiculous shenanigan he's pulling right now? Okay, so go ahead and say bye to the vlog, Charleston, since you're showing out. No, I'm not doing that. Okay, all right, see you guys in my next video.